Log in with your Connect Fax ID. This is what your Connect Key Responsibility Area (KRA) dashboard will look like. It is the ultimate dashboard of dashboards and offers a real-time scorecard for each role and each employee. For example, the user is looking for insights related to fine wire drawing. Under the KRA section, he can find detailed analytics on OEE, deviations, downtime, meeting insights and other notifications related to the production. In short, this module is a one-stop to ensure that data from all other modules are in place and taken care of. Organize, distribute, manage and align your team across the shop floor with Connect KRA. Start your free trial today.